Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. The ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with a new product. This is from OWC, Otherworld Computing. You can go to OWCdigital.com to check it out. We reviewed, about 50, seems like 50 OWC products over the years. Always impressed us. In fact, we use a lot of them, including the hard drives, the SSDs in our systems. So at the Chris Voss Show, we love OWC. So there you go. Mercury Elite Pro Dock. This is a dual drive RAID Thunderbolt 3 docking station. It's got dual drive bays and 7 connecting ports, which include an SD 4.0 card reader. And the OWC Mercury Elite Pro Dock is the do-it-all tool, according to the website, that will organize your life. We're pretty impressed with it. They sent us a unit, which is the 4.0 TB Thunderbolt 3 dock. And it really rocks and rolls. It's got a quick and easy setup, and it's got pretty much everything you need to have a just nice backup RAID experience. Use it for all your data, et cetera, et cetera. It's got pro-grade speed up to 40 gigabytes per second with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Flexible storage options of 2 bays for 2.5 or 3.5-inch SATA drives. Selectable hardware RAID settings, RAID 0 speed, RAID 1 redundancy, span capacity independent, and it's got a hub of options, 2 3.1 USB Gen 1 ports for external drives, audio or video mixers, digital cameras, and other peripherals. It's full stream ahead. You can use it for gigabit Ethernet for file transfer speeds that leave Wi-Fi in the dusk, and you can easily do camera uploads. The front side SD 4.0 card reader is the thing you can put your baby right in, smack it. You can see your work. A dedicated DisplayPort 1.2 for adding up to a 4K display, and daisy chain expansion up to 5 additional Thunderbolt devices, and you can get flexible solutions to get the job done. I was super impressed, and like I say, it's pretty simple and easy to use. It's got the RAID-based controller with built-in hardware. You can get it set up the way you want to take and do. Easy OWC Mac drive software that you can take and use, or et cetera, et cetera. So I've been impressed with it. It comes with a 3-year OWC limited warranty. These guys always make, like I say, great, stupendous products. We're always impressed with them. We use them here. We've been using them for, 5, 6, 7 years. We've been using OWC equipment. Some of it's still working really good. In fact, I think it all is that we have. The computer's still running because that's what's recording this right now. Be sure to check it out. Go to OWCdigital.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you.